And check out this view. Hey everyone, it's Cashew. Today's adventure brings us to Pigeon Forge, Tennessee, to DNC Hobbies, and I'm with special guests. I'm with Michael and Becca from NTL Vlogs. So let's check out this new place. It's the grand opening. Our adventure starts here and there, and with Michael.
There, me. He sells all this online.
And here's the sign for DNC Hobbies.
Amazing. I can't believe.
No taters, good.
And here's Mrs. NTL. Hello, Becca.
Hi.
How are you?
Good.
So are you going to do radio-controlled cards?
Heck yeah. I love it. I cannot fly drones. He's the drone flyer. Master, I should say.
And there's Michael.
If he wants one, I can get one.
Yeah, if you want one, you can. Oh, by the way, Chris, I put the link.
This is our grand opening, as you can see.
Underneath my videos.
Awesome, awesome.
Look, guys, look.
And they provided cake.
18th scale. Look at this. Fine, but
Come for the radio-controlled cars, stay for the cake.
Nathan. Oh, that Nathan. No, Nathan on.
Here's the area where they do service and repair.
It's cool. See Cody. Meet at NASCAR Speed Park. I don't know, honey. I'm telling you. Every day.
And these are the cars that they sell. They sell brush,
You know, it takes
brushless,
a lot for me
and gasoline.
to get a runny nose and to get a cold. Now, I'll get sick of a cold.
I woke up with it at 4 a.m.
This comes with a battery and everything.
Well, yeah, it's a whole battery kit.
Yeah, running roll
So,
You got a flash guy
it's
remote.
like, it's bad because I don't get sick.
best thing I've had in a while.
There was a
Real sickness. You might
And if you have a limited budget, you can get a smaller car.
Like where Smoky Stadium is?
Yeah, in that big parking lot?
You're saying that, like, we'll take our 3 cars out there and we'll repair?
What's that first name?
Cody?
Cody Harris.
Yeah. Yeah, see, this is what it's all gonna look like. He's, like, this was it.
This one looks really cool with the springs and the spoiler on the back.
These are all the same, right?
Yeah, at least so.
No,
That's a 3S. That's 12.
not before. I don't know what.
And for all you cat lovers out there, you might enjoy this logo, Red Cat. And if driving's not your forte, you can get a helicopter or a drone.
I did that all 4-wheel pull and it. I don't even have to try. I don't even have to.
If you're like me, you don't want to crash a $1,200 drone, you can start off with a $25 mini drone. I'm not sure if you can tell from the glare, but this is my personal favorite, a radio-controlled speedboat.
Just a battery and charger kit.
Yeah, Vince is here and Cashew. Oh, he's back over there. He's filming.
This is really cool. They have radio-controlled motorcycles too.
But guys, look. Oh, let me, I haven't finished. Look. But they got rubber and plastic on them, so. I mean, it is amazing how fast it is, though.
gosh,
It really is. Spin it in a circle.
created this.
And then
It is completely
it'll sit in one spot and just spin
love
pretty fast.
I love it.
They're amazing. They've got
We have
so
grown
many.
some really good friendships, and I can't wait to play this. BT.
Battery's dying.
I mean, you can see that it's just, there's not even enough room to get it. No. Just amazing. This thing is, oh, the dang tire came
Yeah,
off.
look at it.
What does that body remind you of?
Oh my God!
It's the same body that's on your truck.
Yes.
It's the exact same body. That's the truck.
Oh, it feels so much better.
This is the truck that you just saw running.
I mean, it's so crazy that it was blowing the rubber off the back tires the other day.
That's pretty cool being able to meet up with Michael and Becca from NTL family. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe and ring the notification bell. Until next time, this is Cashew signing off.
BT.